Which AI should I even use anymore? That's a question I've been asking myself constantly. Ever since ChatGPT took off in 2022, the floodgates have opened. We've got Perplexity, Grok 3, DeepSeek, and more rolling out every few months. And guess what? Even more specialized GPT tools are coming in hot. It's getting harder to pick the right AI for the job. So in this video, I'm breaking it all down for you. From research to real world use, creativity to cost, to help you figure out which AI tool fits your needs best. Whether you're a student, a content creator, a developer, or just curious, I'll help you answer the big question. Which AI should I use and when? Let's dive in. Round 1. Research and accuracy. First up, research and accuracy. Can these AIs really give you the best information out there?
Time to find out.
Grok 3. Grok is fun, opinionated, and sometimes even snacky. But when it comes to research, it has a tendency to be a bit overconfident. It gets some things right, but you always need to double check.
You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek? Now this AI is built for deep research. It sources accurate facts, understands citations, and doesn't just summarize. It digs in. If you're doing academic work or heavy research task, this AI shines.
Nice.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT, it's a solid all-rounder. It summarizes well, provides useful insights, and it's usually accurate. But it doesn't cite sources as well as DeepSeek. So it's time to announce the winner. DeepSeek R1. If accuracy is your priority, DeepSeek is the one to go with. Round 2. Reasoning and problem solving. AI isn't just about answering questions. It needs to think. Which AI is the smartest when it comes to problem solving? Grok. Grok is quick, no doubt about that. But speed isn't everything. It's confidently wrong sometimes, which can be frustrating if you're solving serious problems. DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek does well with structured logic and mathematical tasks. It's great for technical problem solving, but not always best for open-ended reasoning. Last but not the least, ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is reliable. It explains its reasoning clearly, works well with complex problems, and rarely leads to astray. If you need an AI that thinks well, this is the one. So the winner, ChatGPT. It's simply the most well-rounded AI for reasoning and problem solving. Time for round 3, creativity and writing. Alright, now let's talk creativity. Whether it's writing stories, crafting jokes, or generating ideas, who's got the most imagination? Let's find out. Grok 3. Grok is witty, sarcastic, and adds personality to everything it writes. If you want an AI with humor, this is the one. DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek? Well, let's just say it's a little too academic for fiction. If you need structured writing, it's good. But for creative work, not so much. ChatGPT. ChatGPT, this is where it dominates. It tells well-structured stories, adapts to different writing styles, and generates creative ideas effortlessly. So again, the winner is ChatGPT. For storytelling and creativity, ChatGPT is still the king. Now round 4. Real-world usability. Let's get practical. Which AI actually makes your life easier? Grok 3. If you're a casual user who just wants fun interaction, Grok is great. It's integrated with X and provides entertaining responses. DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek is the best for researchers and people who want an open source AI they can self-host. But for the average user, not as friendly. ChatGPT. For work, productivity, and professional use, ChatGPT takes the lead. It's used in business, helps with documents, coding, and even brainstorming. Again, the winner is ChatGPT. If you need an AI that gets things done, ChatGPT is the way to go. Now, last and final round. Round 5, pricing and accessibility. Now let's talk money. Which AI gives you the most value? Best free option, DeepSeek R1 is completely free and open source, making it a great budget-friendly choice. Best value, ChatGPT offers the best features for its price, especially with ChatGPT 4 Turbo. Best for X users, if you're already on X, Grok is easily accessible, but its utility is still debatable. So winner, it depends upon your needs. If you want free, DeepSeek is unbeatable. For power users, ChatGPT is worth the investment. Final verdict. So after testing these tools and everything from problem solving to storytelling to pricing, the answer isn't just use the best one, but use the right one for the right task. ChatGPT, my personal go-to for everyday productivity, creative writing, coding, help and professional tasks. It's the best all-rounder. DeepSeek, if I am working on research-heavy project or academic writing, this is where I turn. It's free, open source and accurate. Grok 3, fun for casual use and conversations, especially if you're already on X, but not something I rely on for serious work. So instead of picking a winner across the board, here's my take. Use each AI like a tool in your digital toolbox. Choose based on the job, not the hype. So what's your current favorite AI? What do you use it for? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to compare the notes.